Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin selects Fortem technologies to deploy autonomous counter-drone systems for critical infrastructure protection. Fortem Technologies has secured a contract with Lockheed Martin to deploy autonomous counter-drone systems aimed at protecting critical infrastructure. The agreement reflects increasing demand for advanced airspace security solutions in sensitive and high-risk environments. Under the contract, Fortem will provide its TrueView radar sensors and Drone Hunter autonomous interceptors. These systems will be integrated with Lockheed Martin's Sanctum counter-unmanned aerial system mission management software to deliver a layered and persistent airspace defense capability. The combined solution is designed to detect, track, and intercept unauthorized or hostile drones. By integrating multiple technologies, the system aims to enhance situational awareness and response effectiveness across protected sites. Fortem Technologies CEO John Gruen said the deployment highlights the growing need for reliable counter-drone systems. Fortem has spent years proving our counter-drone technology in conflict zones and at some of the highest-profile events in the world, Gruen said. This contract puts that same capability to work protecting critical infrastructure, he added. The collaboration with Lockheed Martin builds on a series of recent contracts and deployments for Fortem's technology. The company recently received a multi-million-dollar contract from the Department of Homeland Security to protect venues during the 2026 FIFA World Cup. It has also been awarded a 3-year, $18 million contract by the U.S. Army to provide counter-drone solutions and support services at Army sites worldwide. These developments underscore continued expansion of Fortem's role in delivering counter-drone capabilities for both civilian and military applications. The latest agreement further strengthens its position in the growing airspace security market. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.